Good day, one. Thanks for joining us here in the charge. Tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow compadre speaking. Super quick update on the Dogecoin cryptocurrency as the recent volatility or price action rather has done something in a very short period of time. So I just want to leave you guys out with one specific piece of the story in the chapters that we've been going over in the Dogecoin story, right? So I'm just going to explain that for you all here briefly. So welcome back, loyal family. Yes, 2 videos in one day. That's pretty cool, right? And if you're new here, please take a moment to do your fundamental research. Anything outside of the price action will not be discussed here. We're going over support, resistance, and patterns, and that's it. I don't mean to say that rude, but yeah, that's all I'm going to go over, okay? And that's all it's associated with. Let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's May the 12th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 42 cents. It's up approximately 9.5% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. Here's the what we've been following. Super simple. I don't know if you guys remember on the last video, the critical range that we literally just posted not too long ago, 36 cents and 41 cents. Here's the video that we posted right here. Today's date, May the 12th, 2021. If you notice there, the price activity on the screen there, it hadn't made it within the critical range, but as soon as we posted that video, bam, it went right in the critical range. That was pretty cool. All right, so I just want to explain the next part of the story here. One thing that I will say is the sellers kind of, drop their sell orders right within the critical range. That's not an ideal setup, guys. I'd much rather Dogecoin to actually bounce above the critical range. But, I mean, it's still within it. It's fine right now so far, right? But the one thing that would make me feel more comfortable to say that Doge is definitely, there's a lot more strength in Dogecoin right now, because right now I'm raising a small eyebrow. Take it easy there if you're long on Dogecoin. I'm not saying anything bad. I'm saying the story would not have to. In order for me to understand what could take place next, they got to clear the sellers at 50 cents today. Okay? Today. In order for me to say that, yeah, there's some real strength in this market. Right there at that line that I just put right there. Yeah, I have to clear the sell order just overhead at about 50 cents and perhaps a rejection from there. That's fine. But I would feel more comfortable knowing that there's a lot more financial strength in this market. That way the sell orders will be clear, and then the Dogecoin market will be in preparation to move higher, assuming that the critical range will hold 36 cents all the way up to 41 cents. Okay, super simple. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to stop and let everyone know. Right now, this setup is not ideal. Okay, this is not an ideal setup, as it has gone like within the critical range. Because notice how the price is up 7%, but that critical level is actually going to be up 0.413. Okay, so it's more likely than not it's probably going to dip below that level. See, it's right there right now. So yeah, let's let this play out. Yeah, it's gonna get interesting, guys. I'll probably leave you guys updates every so often. And I know some saying maybe I'm sounding a certain way. You're sounding bad about Dogecoin. No. I may sound a little dramatic as I'm explaining the story, because remember, I'm explaining the story behind the price action, and I realize that some of the gestures in the price action that must take place, it happened a little bit too fast for me. And it's not above the previous level of resistance, which is 41 cents. It's within a critical range. That's why I explained this. It's critical, okay, and it's already within the critical range. I mean, it's moving fast. So that means if the market goes all the way down to that 28 cent level, or 28 cent level, 27 cents, something right. I think we said that on last video. That would be pretty interesting. It must hold that level. That's like the line in the sand for me. If it gets below 28 cents, guys, you gotta get prepared for some real volatility. Okay, if you haven't seen any volatility yet in the Dogecoin market, yeah, you better be prepared if it gets down to the 28 cent level. Okay, so that's all I have for you all. So essentially, in closing here, in summary, on this daily candle, these are daily candles. If the market cannot clear the sell orders all the way up to 50 cents. I'd be a little concerned with the true trajectory in this market. At least in the short term, the market will want to push down to 28 cents. I just said that like 2 times already. So I think you guys get it. I just want to make sure I repeat it a million times just to kind of get those who don't like when I do that. I don't know, take them off. I'm just kidding, guys. I just want to explain it a few times so everyone is, you get it, right? All right, so that's pretty much it. 50 cents clearance, Dogecoin. Let's do it. Push that price up. And that's going to wrap up the video. So thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment because the YouTube algorithm picks up on the video and the channel when you guys do that. Thank you for your support. Also, if you're new, before you go, we'd like to send you more information on the alternative markets. The traditional stocks. If you're into stocks, we cover that 7 days a week. So kindly join us on this interesting journey, and we'll send you that information when it's available. Once again, thank you for your time and stopping out and hearing me out on the videos. We're going to talk soon. Protect yourselves out there in the market. Execute your strategies. Okay? And bye for now.